The Mediterranean connects us, but every wave carries plastic waste. From Greece to Montenegro, we share one sea and one mission: to protect it.
In Greece, plastic packaging threatens tourism and marine life.
We ask, what if the solution came from the sea itself?
We turn Mediterranean seaweed into biodegradable packaging, safe for the ocean and safe for us.
In Montenegro, we test and produce the material with local cooperatives.
Together we replace plastic with seaweed, protecting our coast and empowering our people.
Our goal is small coastal shops that create blue economy jobs.
Two countries, one sea, one sustainable future. Aegean Blue Pack, from seaweed to sustainability.
Seawise.